To add thumbnail in Canva video, let's pick a video document we want to work with. I'll go for the landscape. Quickly come over to templates here and pick already made templates for this demo. I'm not going to create anything from scratch, and apply all the 6 pages. Let's pull our timeline up to see what's going on. You see our video is set. To add thumbnail to this video, let me quickly just expand this timeline by clicking on zoom pages here, and let's expand this to see what is going on our timeline. And if we come to the beginning here, you want to know whether you want to choose an image from your design to make as your thumbnail. If this is the case, you're going to pull that image and move it across to the beginning where it's going to start as the thumbnail. But if you want to bring in an external image, just click on where you have your image. I'll pull in this image I have here, and I would come back to the image and bring it to start from the beginning. From here, I will reduce the size down to the lowest. This is 0.1 seconds. The first page of your video, the first frame of your video, is what usually is the thumbnail of your video. When you download your video, this image will be the frame and will be the thumbnail people will see on that video when you export it out of Canva.